Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll show you how to fix iPhone Hotspot not working. So let's start. I will give you some tips that you can do it to fix it. So the first one is disconnect your Wi-Fi as well as your YouTube. Not only left the Hotspot connection or your iPhone connection here. As you can see, this is the data, and check if you can connect for your hotspot or the devices can connect to your hotspot. If this is not working yet, the other tip that you can do it, let's go to settings and then let's go to personal hotspot here, and then just click here on allows to join, just wait, and then connect and disconnect again. Okay, so try to do it. Also, you can select the last option that says maximize compatibility. This option is important to be activated. In that way, maybe many people can connect to your account without any problem. So that is the second tip I can give you. So the first one is disconnect your Wi-Fi as well as your YouTube, and the second one is activate and disactivate your personal hotspot as well as activate your maximum compatibility. So guys, I hope one of these tips helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.